So we are discussing the TCPA-10 tap settings here. You're going to need a slotted screwdriver in order to change this at all. So when you get your speaker, it should look like this, pointing towards the 0.05. Now, there are 4 clicks after this, so 5 tap settings in total. So this is the first tap setting, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth one is pointing towards the 3, as you can see. Now, let's go back to the starting point. You will feel resistance. If I'm turning it clockwise right now, I'm going to feel resistance. But if I put some pressure, I can be able to click it past that. Now, from here, there's still clicks all around, but this is a dead zone. You will get no audio output out of the speaker here. So what you need to do is just simply get right before that 0.5, you can see, and just tap it back into place. So you'll have to put a little bit more pressure on it, but there's not a huge difference, so you just need to be careful with it. And from there, you should be able to change to whatever tap setting that you'd like.